Hey guys, I hope you're doing well today. I wanted to share one of our new products today, which is the Clever Fox Positivity Journal. I think this one is one of the most straightforward guided journals we've made so far. It's a daily one, so you have 1 page per day, and I think this one would actually be great for beginners or anyone who is a bit too busy to take plenty of time during the day to journal, because this one literally only requires 5 minutes a day. And what it's focused on is actually helping you build a positive mindset and train your brain to have a bit more of a positive outlook on life. So the journal comes in a standard T5 format, so it's nice and lightweight and you can carry it in your bag. You have the elastic band and the pen loop, so you can insert your pen here and have it with you as you go. Inside, you'll find our standard user guide that shows you how to use each of the sections inside. And then you also have 3 sheets of stickers with some phrases, quotes, and some different bits that you can use to highlight different important things and thoughts. So the journal begins with the title page where you can add your name, phone, and email in case you lose the journal so someone else can return it to you. And then here you have the habit tracker. So with the habit tracker, you can add the months and the habits you want to track each month. And this one is really helpful if you want to develop some new habits to also support your positive mindset. This could be things like daily meditation, exercising, eating well, socializing, seeing your family and friends. So you can add new habits every month here, and then you can tick off each day as you go and you manage to follow the routine to visualize your progress. The journal lasts 6 months, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 habit trackers to cover the whole half a year period. And then following you have the daily pages, which is the main part of the journal. So on each page you have the day and date, and the journal is undated, which means that you can journal daily, which is my preferred way of doing it, because that way you make the most of your journaling practice. But you can also skip some days without wasting a page. You basically add the day and date as you go, which I think is great. So you begin by practicing daily gratitude and recording 3 things you're grateful for. Then you can record something you're excited about and something you're proud of. And all of these are really good for helping you start your day on a positive note and acknowledge all of those small nice things you have around you that day. What you have achieved so far, something you're excited about. So it's really a way to remind you of how good your day can be if you can just focus a bit more on the good things within it. Then here you can choose a positive affirmations that you want to practice a day. So you can record it and you can repeat it a few times a day to make sure that it sticks with you and does its magic. Then every single day you also have a new self-awareness prompt. So it's a question that changes every single day and helps you learn a bit more about yourself, your life, reconsider some of your daily routines. I think this one is great for keeping your journal and practice fun and making sure it's not all the same every single day. So you would have questions like, what object am I happy to have in my life and why? The best part of my daily routine? What recently made me feel like the best version of myself? So all of these are really great. Some of them are more fun, some of them are a bit more insightful, but I think all of these help you explore your personality and discover new things about yourself. And then here you have the bottom part of the page, which is a free-form journal. So here you can add any of your thoughts, feelings, reflections, anything you feel like sharing. And I think this is great for learning to reflect on your feelings and actually seeing as you go this journal is being helpful for you. You can compare your entries from 1 month before, 1 month later, and see if your mindset is actually shifting. And then at the very bottom of the page, what you have are the quotes. And every single day you have a new quotes. So the quotes are focused on positivity, happiness, outlook on life, and different things like that. And you can actually use these quotes as inspiration for your journal entries if you like a particular quote, or you can just read it and think about it to yourself. So that's pretty much it for the daily pages. And then I think at the back of the journal, you have some reflective questions to help you understand if you enjoyed journaling and if there is anything you have learned that you can use in the future. So I think this is a great part that helps you analyze and review all the half a year that you have spent journaling. So for this journal, that's pretty much it. As I said, it's a really nice and simple one, great for anyone who's too busy or just getting into journaling. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll make sure to answer as soon as I can. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching it, follow our channel and press the notification button so you can be notified every single time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!